What
I think
is
we
it?
can set this one up.
I don't know, she kind of has this
Open
down with
that.
opening fingers.
Open it. What is it?
Open
It's
that.
a tent.
Just think.
It's a tent. It's a princess tent. You can go in it.
Go in.
Go in tent.
And I go in.
You want to go in the tent?
Open it up.
Open that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Say, Mom, use your big nails.
I'm trying.
Should we get scissors?
Open that. I go in.
Yeah,
One.
so you go in.
And Cassie go in.
Yes.
Can Kristen go
Kristen
in?
go in? Yeah, she can go in.
There's tape all around it.
I got an invite to the cool club.
That.
She just wants to
Only
do
three
perfume.
people.
She wants her perfume.
Put hand.
What did she say?
Hold hands in the tent.
And then
I don't think you can crawl in that spot.
What's the matter?
Hard to see.
No.
It's taped all the way around.
open that.
Yeah. Why don't we open the rest of the presents while Mommy works on this one, okay?
Give that to Pop. He can do it.
How do I stop it?
Okay, you give it to Pop. He